Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in again to the second video in the restoration series of the Telefunken Operette. In the last video you saw me struggling quite a bit to remove the chassis from the cabinet. And yeah, this video will be more of the same. You'll see me again struggling a lot, but this time it will be to remove the tile glass from the chassis. But still, I managed to make quite a bit of progress, so I'm happy with the result at the moment. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. Okay, so first I want to take off the dial glass so I don't accidentally break it while I'm handling the radio. So let's first remove the knobs. Okay, yeah, I'm saying let's first remove the knobs, but they are not easy to remove. They are quite stuck. Yeah, they are stuck. This is just wow. Oh my god. Ah, okay, this one is. I think this one is loose. Yeah. This one is loose. Nice. Okay, that's already one. This is really stuck. I think I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's completely stuck. Nope, not coming loose. Okay, so I'm trying a different screwdriver here. Yeah. Is it loose now? No. Ah, no it is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is completely rusted, so see the difference. So okay, that one is not stuck. Wow, also very rusted. Oh my god, this one is also stuck. Ah. No, it's not. Yeah, I need to WD-40 again. I think I got it. Yeah. Alright. Oh, but wait, there is a clamp over here. Oh, I didn't notice that. Yeah. Don't lose that. Yeah, these shafts are very rusted. It's whoa! It's coming loose all the way in the. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, see. So this here, this is the shaft. That's not the issue, and then you have here a sort of centerpiece. See, and it's really stuck to the dial, and I need to get it off because the tuning cord is connected to this rod. So if I just pull it out like this, then I will lose the tuning cord, which I don't want at all. I have an idea. What if I just grab the shaft over here and now I start twisting the knob. Let's see. Yeah, okay, that's working. And now just twist it and let the WD-40 do its job. Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah. All right. Well, that was well rusted in place. I'm gonna remove these felt pads as well. Especially this one here, which is the one of the left knob. I think it's, yeah, should be replaced. Now the thing is, I have the knobs now removed, but how the hell do I get the tile glass out? I always wonder how they assembled these radios in the factory, because it seems so overly complicated. So the glass plate is held in place in 6 places, so you have 2 on the bottom, see over there, and 1 over there. And those points are just fixed to the chassis, so I cannot do anything about those. Then the 2 ones on the side, they are riveted. See, they are here, you can see they are riveted to the chassis, so I also cannot remove those. So that leaves the 2 at the top. But you can remove these, but they are connected to the string here, to this, well, this piece of metal which holds the pointer in place. And then, okay, what if you remove the both 2 tabs here? Then what do you do? I mean, it's still holding in place like here, and you cannot move it up because it's these rods here are in the way. I really don't get it. What I think they did is they just put the dial glass in place, and then they put afterwards these rubbers here in between to fix it. Because if you see that the metal holders, apart from the ones at the bottom here, the metal holders, they don't go all the way over the glass. It's the rubber that is holding it in place, or well, what is left of the rubber. It's just completely dried up. So I think I should remove these rubbers here, and then I should be able to take out the glass. I have no idea. Ah, this one is just breaking apart here. So does this prove my point? Maybe. Let's also remove the other ones. They are dead anyway, so I need to find something to replace them anyway. So yeah, see, tile glass is coming loose. So I have to do the same thing here on both sides. See here as well. I just can, normally I should be able to, this one is a bit harder, but yeah, it's also falling apart. So that's the thing that you should do, yeah. Remove the rubbers or what's left of the rubbers, and then you can just take out the tile glass. Same over here. See, now I can even take it out easily. I think he did it like that. They just put it in place and then they attached the rubbers to hold the glass in place. So normally I should now be able to remove the glass easily. Well, at least that's what he said. Ah, goddamn. Where is it stuck? Over here, I think. Jesus. What a puzzle this is. See, it's touching over here. Maybe I can just loosen it, the screw here a bit. Not sure if this is a good idea to loosen the screw, but yeah. Oh, why is it so difficult to remove a dial glass? Ah. it's like a fraction of a millimeter that it is touching the glass here. This screw is not coming loose. I'm thinking about just bending this upwards. I think this should be enough. Yeah, okay, it's okay. I just bent this step a bit upwards. But is it enough to get the dial glass out? I'm not sure. It should be, because I don't see any other way to do it. Yeah, okay. It's out. Now let me just put this aside so that it's somewhere safe and I don't break it while working on the radio. Okay, next thing I want to do is test the power transformer, but before I'm just gonna check some continuity here. I connected my multimeter to one end of the power plug. So on one pin should go to the on-off switch and the other one here should go to the fuse. So let's see. Nothing here. Yeah, okay, so it's going to this end of the fuse. But it's not going to this end. So maybe it is also not making contact here with this end of the fuse, is it? Okay, so we have it over here at the fuse holder, but not at the fuse itself, so this needs to be deoxidized. And then the other pin should go to there. Or not. Chassis? No, it should go to this. So there might be something wrong in the plug here. Let's open this up. Oh, okay. Yeah. This might be a reason why the radio is not working. Okay. Yeah, I think we need a new plug. Anyway. Ah, there we are. Okay, so we need a new plug. Or we need a new, yeah, this one is broken anyway, so see, so I need a new plug. And also the fuse holder here needs to be deoxidized, so let me just do that quickly. Just to want to make sure that I have continuity all the way to the transformer. Still nothing. Ah, wait. No, still nothing. No continuity whatsoever. It's already better, but far from perfect. See? It's getting to the other side of the fuse, but then not to the fuse holder here, so much better. So I put a 1 amp in here at the moment. I'm not gonna use the radio anyway with this fuse in place, but I don't have a 300 milliamp So next time I pass by the shop, I'll buy a 300 milliamp, but this is also a new one. And see, it's working quite well now. So it was a combination, both the fuse and the fuse holder are both tarnished, and the fuse is the wrong value. So yeah. Okay, so next problem here is the on-off switch. So see, that's this one over here. I get continuity up until the switch, and then afterwards, if I turn on the radio, that should give continuity, but there's nothing there. So yeah, also this one needs to be cleaned. Okay, so first I thought about taking out the switch here, but it's completely bolted into the chassis here from the side, and it's impossible to take out without taking apart the entire section of the radio here. So I just sprayed it with a lot of contact cleaner, and see, now it's working like it should. Can you guess which knobs have already been cleaned? Yeah, so they are cleaning up quite nicely with isopropyl alcohol, but they are really a pain in the butt to clean, because I think this is spray paint. So see, these knobs, or someone has hit the radio with some black spray paint, and here as well. So it's coming off very slowly, but it is coming off with isopropyl alcohol. So that's what I'm doing right now. What I do, I cleaned the tuning knob. I deoxidized the tuning knob. It was very, very stiff, but now it's turning quite well. Let's see if it stays like this after a couple of days. Could be that I have to do it again. I also blew off all the dust with the air compressor. So the radio is looking a bit better already. I started cleaning over there in that corner, and you see it's coming up nicely, I guess. I think that the chassis is yeah, going to be pretty beautiful when it's completely done. What else? Yeah, here, so this paper here in the front, I don't really know what to do with it. I don't think I will ever be able to replace it decently. It's still more or less intact, apart from this tear here on the left. Ideally, I would just like to take it out so I can clean and remove the rust here from this back panel, but it doesn't look too easy to take out. And yeah, I think that's about it for the moment. I'm just gonna continue cleaning. Okay, so I've found the perfect excuse to stop cleaning. I ran out of isopropyl alcohol, so I just cleaned the piano keys here, and I also still managed to clean this guy over here, but then I ran out of isopropyl alcohol, so I have to run to the shop to get some more. So this one is still to do. They cleaned up quite well, but as I said, it was a pain in the ass to clean, especially this one over here. Took a lot of elbow grease to get that one cleaned and to get the paint. I think it really is spray paint that was on here to get it off. And I also cleaned the potentiometers on the back of both of these with some contact cleaner, so that should be fine as well. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it at this for this video, and then I hope I'll see you next time. So bye bye.